Hey, Kat, tell me what's going on right now.
Carter's gonna get in the fountain, and it's about 10 degrees out here right now.
Megan, is it cold?
It is a little cold.
He's gonna pay €30 so he can pay his taxi fare tomorrow.
Everything is money.
I like that he would rather get in a fountain when it's 10 degrees out than ask his mom for more money.
$30. $30 US dollars. 20 euros.
Now we're haggling over exchange rates. Carter, I'll give you the extra $5. We'll call it even.
I'm gonna buy you a drink.
Look at him. He's like,
He's de-robing.
He's excited about this. My hero, Carter! No, well, look. You have to go up that.
this is an absolutely disgusting display of manhood.
You have to go climb the tower and hug and take a picture.
Go kiss the horse or the seraphim.
Oh, God.
Peer pressure, Carter. Peer pressure.
Come on, Carter.
Peer pressure.
Carter, go.
Carter, if you don't just do it, you're never going to do it. All right. Well, here he goes. Wait, did we ever decide if he has to get all the way in?
Yeah, he has to go hug that. He has to hug the. Dive your top fountain. Dive. Roll up your merch. Yeah, I have.
Somebody go open the door to the apartment so he can just run like a bitch.
Yeah, somebody gonna let him in right away? No. Oh, you guys.
All right, Carter, any last words? Because you're going to need them.
Just go.
Go, Carter. Just do it.
Go, Carter.
Oh, dear Christ.
Oh, my God.
Oh my God, he's gonna hug him! Yes!
Oh, God.
You are so crazy!
Oh, my God.
Somebody pay the man, like seriously. Yay, Carter! Kat, what just happened?
Carter just swam in the fountain like an idiot.
For how much money?
For €20.
20 euro or 20 US dollars?
€20, $30 US.
Happy birthday, me.